Okay, a short video on how to use the search function on the iPad. First thing you need to do is go ahead and go to Settings. If you don't see it, just sort of sweep down until you see it. There it is. As an example, I'm going to use camera. Use any search for anything, but this short little video. Car? No, that's not right. Keka? There we go, camera. Oh, not that one. Shoot. Yep, that one. And like I said, just an example, you can go through and set it to whatever you want. Check it all out as right there for your convenience. Just an easy way to look at all your apps and all your functions and set everything. It's called search. It's a little shortcut. I kind of like it. Okay, let's take a look at that. It's high efficiency. Okay, cool. Alright, enough of this. Let's go back to our home screen, sweep out of this, and end this video. Simple video. Okay, that's it. Sweep out of it. Double click. That time I did double click. Alright, that's it.